And my next project is a little piece of wood cut out of the stair strainer. Sanding bands for the oscillating spindle sander and the drill press. They're always laying around. They're always upset behind the drill press. I was getting tired of that little mess, so I decided to make a little stand for them. And actually this, what I'm making is out of the strainer I put out to the stairs. Make holes for all the different size sanding bands. So, for instance, for a 2-inch sanding band, I'll use the 2 1/8 inch Forstner bit to drill the hole. For the 1.5 inch sanding band, I'll use 1 5/8 inch Forstner bit to drill a hole. So on and so on. And I round off the corners on the router. Yeah, you can hook up the vacuum and round off the corners. Quick rub down in the belt sander. The 2x12 is 1.5 inches thick, and I want this hole to go in 1 1/4 inch, and I got a 1/4 inch space above it so that I can get the wood in and out to change this. I can't have it tight. So lift up 1/4 inch, set it to 1.5 inches to go down, and so it should stop at 1 1/4 inch. Do the other 1.5 inches and continue on with some more. And then roll to the next size. Neat. Turn that on and 1/4 inch above it. Tighten her up. That's enough. And find an inch hole we want to drill. Center it over it. Lock her down. I want the next 1 inch hole. 3/8 inch holes for a couple dowels in. Glue them in place, whatever. I gotta find a couple more dowels to put a couple more in. And I got a 3/4 inch piece of dowel I'm gonna put in here. Shove her down an inch. It's a bit loose, it's 3/4 inch. Anyway, we'll glue her anyway. 1/8 inch hole. Another one, just in 1/2 inch. Okay, now we'll try a 1/4 inch hole, 5/8 of an inch. And now for a hole 1 inch and 5/16 deep with a 21/64 bit in. And now lower the table. And then I'm going to drill just a couple of 15/64 holes and a few, let's see, a few 1/8 inch holes in it for a few of these stones, whatever, and little mandrels. And then a couple of 15/64. Maybe for some of the bigger stones I want to put in there. Not that I ever use them, but I just want to give that a top of that a quick sanding. Some people may think it's a slice of pizza, I don't know. Slice of cheese. I think we'll cut a little piece of backer board for it. Put it on the wall. And I'm going to mark the back of the board down about 7/8 of an inch. We can glue and screw that on. Just and we'll put the screws in that area somewhere and the glue. And I'll also mark the top of the front. I know how and where I'm going to put it. Pre-drilled 9/64 holes in 4 spots for number 8 screw. blew that all apart. So that wasn't tight. It was a big wobble and that, so it wasn't tight. It blew through. Anyway, that'll be hidden on the front anyway, so maybe I'll, I don't know. Yeah, that'll be hidden by the, right? So that'll be fine. I'll countersink them a little bit and away from the wall with screws. Thank you very much. Now let's glue it and screw it. Put the first screw in. Checking this side, see if it's where I want it. Put the remaining 3 screws in. Once my pizza is filled up, it looks much better. And all the sanding bands all over the place. And the sanding stones all over the place. If you don't agree, there's something wrong with that. Here it is, step 1. The dowel's just setting in place, not glued in yet. And I'll show you it filled up. Here's the pizza from the top. From the front, you'll see there's probably 4 or 5 or 6 sand discs stored there. There's a couple different sizes sand and disc. And they're called bands anyway. There's a couple, 1, 2, yes, 2 different size sand and bands stored there. 2-inch, inch and a quarter, the mandrel. In the front I got a couple of different size stones and stuff stored there. A couple of different size mandrels. Plus on the side I'm going to make a few spots for a few bigger stones. Grinding wheels. Stern. Mixed up a pretty good amount of epoxy. Screw to the wall. One thing I got to get for the drill press, the oscillating part of it is I need a little rubber band to go from there to there. Right around for a rubber band is the top of a rubber glove. Working out how strong that would be. Oh, there she is, behind the drill press. easy to reach. Storage for different sizes.